Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to continue with the lesson 3, the Earth and its neighbors. In our previous class, we have learned about the Earth neighbors, solar system. Here we have 8 planets, including our Earth. And along with the planets, we can see here asteroids. See, these are asteroids and comets. See, here we can see comets. And today we are going to learn about moon. See here, moon. The moon is the Earth's nearest neighbor. Moon is the Earth's nearest neighbor. When we look up at the night sky, we see the moon shining. Yes, when we look up during the night time, when we look at the sky, we can see the moon is shining very brightly. Yes, besides the stars, yes, along with the stars, the moon will shine very brightly. It is the natural satellite of the Earth. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. It moves around our planet. The moon moves around our Earth. Like the Earth, many other planets also have natural satellites or moons revolving around them. Like the same way, many other planets, we have other 7 more planets, and they also have natural satellites or moons. Those moons will revolve around those planets. Okay, asteroids and comets. Here I want to show you asteroids. See here, asteroids, these are brick type. We can see these are looking like stones, right? These are asteroids. These are placed in between Mars and Jupiter. Okay, asteroids and comets. Here I want to see you comets. These are comets. Okay, these are comets. There are chunks of rocks and metal found in the solar system. In the solar system, there are chunks of rocks and metals found. These are called asteroids. These chunks of rocks and metals are called as asteroids. Scientists think that they are loose material that never formed into planets. These chunks of rocks and metals are loose materials and they will never form into planets. The main asteroid belt is located between Mars and Jupiter. Yes, this is the main asteroid belt. See, this is the main asteroid belt, and this is located in between Mars, the planet Mars, and the planet Jupiter. We can see in this picture clearly. The main asteroid belt is located in between Mars and Jupiter. And comet. A comet is a mass of ice, dust and rocky particles with a long tail. A comet is a mass of ice, dust and rocky particles with a long tail. Yes, we can see in this picture clearly. It is looking like a tail, right? So, comet is a mass of ice, dust and rocky particles with a long tail. This is about our Earth and its neighbors. Our Earth neighbors are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. Okay, and it also have asteroids, moon revolving around the Earth, and comets. Okay children, this is all about the chapter. the earth and its neighbors. And here we can see in this box, see, think about it. A person would weigh much less on the moon than here on the earth. Yes, if we go to moon, our weight becomes very less. And here the name comet comes from the Greek word cometis. This word comet comes from the Greek word cometis, meaning the meaning of the comet is hair of the head. Yes, it's looked like a tail. It came from the Greek philosopher Aristotle, who observed comets as stars with hair. Yes. This is all about the lesson, children. Once go through the lesson, the earth and its neighbors. Okay, children. From the next class, we will start reading part. Okay. Bye, children. Thank you.